These simple little boats can float, swim when you blow on them, and they don't sink. So for these boats, if you want the colored side up, just like that one, use the colored side up, and if you want color on the inside, use the white side up. To start this project, I'm going to fold my paper in half. Make sure that the edges match and the crease is sharp. Then turn over and fold it in half so that the rectangle turns into a square. And then there should be a pointy flap below you. Pull that up so that it aligns with the top one. Align it perfectly. And then crease. Now turn over and do the same thing, except instead of taking one flap, take 3. And crease sharply. Now this is the hardest part in the whole thing, which is actually very easy. What you have to do is open the pocket. Sometimes the pocket's very sturdy and it just pops right into place like that. No worries, just open it up again, put your finger in till the pointy edge touches you, and bring those two corners together. And crease sharply. And then, while the open flap is facing down, take the two of the top flaps and open them slowly. And then you see your boat assembling right before your eyes. Sometimes it pops right into shape because it's very sturdy. That happens, just do it again. And with a couple of creases, you're done. The bottom one and the other bottom one. And after you've done all the creases, you're done. Have fun floating your boat. This was Aditya Paul. Goodbye.